Hello everyone, my name is Hemavathi. I'm currently pursuing BTech first year in KIET group of institutions. Yesterday and day before yesterday, we have sessions on C language by our guest lecturers, and he told every single detail about C language, and I'm telling one of the topic from that, and the topic is two-dimensional array. Two-dimensional array, and from two-dimensional array is in the form of rows and columns, and the syntax is type, array name, row size and column size, and in this type means data types like int, float and characters. We can take any of them. We can take any of them, and for example, I'm taking int. Here we can take any number and any possible number, and we have to take values regarding this value. In this we have to take rows also. For this example, we have to take rows and columns. The first one is rows and the second one is columns. In this we can take in two types. First, we can take all numbers at a once, but for second we can take like this also. Like two rows and the values of those in the columns. If any number is missing in these rows numbers, and it will be automatically considered as 0. If we take like this, if you only take like this, then the results will be first row and like this. Like this will come. And for the example, let me take the values. First, hash include int main and for that we have to take rows. First we have to take rows, how many rows, and then columns, like we can take some possible values. For the syntax, for I is equals to 0, initially any value is 0, and we are taking rows too, so we have to take 3 and increment, and then for second value, this is for rows and J for columns. As we took 2, so we have to take 3. We can take any numbers. And then print. We took integer right there, so we have to take D values and rows and columns. That's it. And we have to close. For this, output is, we have taken 2 rows and 2 columns. Let's assume any 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is first row, second row, first column, second column, initially taking as 0, 1 and 0, 1, indexing them, and for the output, for I is equals to 0, as 0 is less than 2. It is correct. So we are taking the 1 as we take the 2. I value is less than 3. So we can take any number less than 3. 0 is less than 2. So we are taking it. So we are taking it, the value is equals to 1. And for I is equals to 1, 1 is less than 2. As we take 3 and 1 is less than 2, it is true. So we can take the value. We can take the value as we given. And for I is equals to 3, 3 is less than 3. It is wrong. So it will stop there only. It will no longer will go to the rows. As it stopped there, now we have to do for columns. For J is equals to 0, 0 is less than 2. We given there up 2, so 0 is less than 2, the value is true. So we are taking value 3. It is considered because the given condition is true. And for J is equals to 1, 1 is less than 2. So this is true. So we are taking the value. We are just assuming this. We are just assuming these values for the given condition. And this is the two-dimensional array form. Thank you.